How to check location of photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your iPhone. Once you're inside, navigate through your library and select the photo whose location you want to check. With the photo open, tap on the information icon in the bottom of the screen. This action reveals a detailed information panel below the image. Here, you can see various metadata, including the date and time the photo was taken, camera details, and a map showing the location. To see the location in more detail, tap on the map preview as shown. This will open a full-screen map, pinpointing the exact spot where the photo was captured. Following these steps, you can easily check the location of a photo on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.